Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create reports within Google Colab using Report Lab. Report Lab is a software library that lets you directly create documents in Adobe's portable document format, or PDF, using the Python programming language. Report Lab can create charts and data graphics in various bitmap and vector formats as well as PDF. The program can be a great option for reports that need to be frequently created with small variations. Let us get into the code. First, I need to install Report Lab and Kaleido using pip within our Google Colab session. After the installation, I am going to import a few Python modules, including Pandas and yFinance, to download and work with our data, Plotly to display a graph, and then a few objects from Report Lab. In our next code block, I am going to call on yFinance to download data on the VIX index. yFinance will download and save the data within a pandas data frame. I then need to sort the index. After the data is downloaded, I am going to create two columns in the data frame. The first column I will create is the 120-day rolling mean or average of the index, and the second column is the 120-day rolling median. I am going to call on the Plotly module to create three scatter plots, one for the VIX index itself, one for the rolling mean, and then one for the rolling median. Now I am going to create the layout for the graph using Plotly's layout class. I am going to set the title, y and x-axis, and set the fonts and legend. Now I can create our plot using the Plotly figure class. I am also going to show our graph and we can take a look at it. For the displayed graph, I am going to embed this in the PDF that we will create within Report Lab. I'm going to save the graph as a PNG image using the write image function. If I click on the folder icon, we can see that I have the image saved in the current content directory. Now I can start creating my PDF with Report Lab. I need to create the name of our PDF file. I will call it vixreport.pdf. Please make sure that you have the .pdf extension at the end. I need to create a canvas object which will generate a PDF document that we will write to. Once the canvas is generated, I will use the setFont method to initialize the font for my title. The drawString method will write text to the PDF. The first parameter is the x-coordinate, the second parameter is the y-coordinate, and the third parameter is the text to be written. In the next line, I am going to set the font for the body of my report and write the body text. I will call on the drawImage method to embed the Plotly graph into the PDF. To save the PDF, I am going to call on the save method. If I open up the content directory, we can see the PDF. I am going to download it and take a look at it. We can see that we successfully generated the PDF. We were able to embed the graph. We have the title and the body text. Let's go back to our notebook. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. In the notebook, which is available on GitHub, see the description below, I also included a link to the Report Lab documentation site. If you found the video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn, X, Medium, GitHub, and Odyssey. I also have a podcast, The Aspiring STEM Geek, which you can check out on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Audible, and iHeartRadio. Thanks again, everyone, for watching, and happy coding.